This series on the Garden Gurus, we're opening up the gardener's toolbox, filled with solutions and ideas to solve your garden problems. It's always the late winter, early spring when you become conscious that plants' leaves seem to have some blemishes. Fixing mystery spots and dots. Well, there are a lot of plant diseases which show up as confusing spots and dots and rotting bits, and can be very hard to identify. The solution, it'll come with this. Now, it's liquid copper from Yates, and it's absolutely fantastic. Copper has long been used as a solution for many different types of fungal infections and bacterial infections in plants. In fact, a whole wide range of different plants are treated using this. What makes this special is there's a formulation here that allows the copper to spread evenly and to stick. And when you put it in a sprayer, it doesn't clog the nozzle, which is really important because most copper sprays do. Not this one. This is perfect for fruit trees and vines like grape. You actually preventative spray grapes to help control mildews, and plants like mangoes, these younger ones, don't like cold conditions. So protecting them until they harden and establish is really important. It's not just fruit trees either. You will want this around when planting early season tomatoes. They're often affected by a speck known as Pseudomonas. This helps control the bacterial infection of the leaf and prevents its spread, which can really set back a crop.